Do you want your kids to engage in a way in this summer vacation that they grow instead of just hanging over with mobiles? Then this is a video where you are going to get the hacks how you can make your kids to engage with the works that really make them to grow. So stay till the very end of this video to know the complete thing. Hi, this is Vinitha, life coach for women. If you're the one who is really want to uplift yourself emotionally and to improve every aspect of your life, then this is a channel for you. Go and hit the subscribe button and also the all button so that you get the notifications whenever I post the videos. So as I said you, in this video, I'm going to give you the hacks how you can really make your kids to engage with the works that help them to grow instead of just engaging with the mobiles. The first one is give them the props. Yes, props are the things which will help them to engage with the thing which you are giving, and also make sure that the thing will help them to move out of the house. For example, a football or a volleyball or a cycle or a skipping rope. Just see to it that they are moving out of the house or they are using their physical this body to engage with that. And also make sure that you are giving it a new, or you are giving a new look to the old one. For example, if they have a cycle already, just give it a overhauling and give it a new look, or give it a new ball or new racket for the badminton. Give them something new, because kids always get excitement with the new things. So give them this new prop so that they engage themselves with physically. Yes, so this is the first one. Second one is help them to spend time with a creative work. Creativity really boosts certain neurons in their brain that they stay active throughout the day. So give them the new things that they can really engage with the creative work. It can be any art or drawing or painting or any craft work, but then just give them the tools so that they really engage in that aspect of their life. And the third thing is engage them to engage themselves with the nature. It can be any work with the mud or with the plants or watering the plants or staying with a natural element, or get them to any water body to play with it. But make sure that they are connecting with the nature. That will help them to increase the innate immunity. Nowadays kids are falling sick every now and then. Just by connecting with the nature, being in touch with the mud or with the plant, water, that energetic, they are just connecting with the nature will help them to boost their innate immunity. And also most of the kids nowadays, they get anger, they get irritated very easily. These things will also get reduced as they get touch with the nature. So make sure that your kids are getting in touch with the nature. Yeah, just grow some plants, pottery plants. If you're not having the space to grow plants, just make sure that they are in touch with these plants or the mud. So just see to it that how you can inculcate this segment in their life. And the final thing is help them to help themselves. Yes, help them to arrange their cupboards on their own, to fold their clothes on their own, to keep the books in their shelves. Help them to work so that their work becomes effortless, easy, so that they don't feel that the cleaning is a big thing. They become the part of the home cleaning, or they become the part of setting the things correct. Decluttering is a thing which everyone has to know it. This will help them to understand the cleaning and also declutter the unwanted things in their life. So just make sure that this is also a part of their life. So you can segment the part of the day so that they engage in different activities and also help them to grow from inside. Now the question is like how we can make them to do it, right? So this segment is going to address that. First thing is show them. Show them how the things are carried out. Show them in a way that you are peaceful enough to show them. Yes, Your main agenda is them to show how peacefully, easily, effortlessly the work can be done. So, or otherwise, if you're so busy that you are not able to show them, if you are not able to make them to understand, so if you are not having that time and space for that, then second thing is you can create the environment where they can learn and see how people are doing it. For an example, if you are not able to spend time with your kids to play with them, then put it in the environment where they get fueled just by seeing it, and they get attracted to do the work, like skating classes or badminton classes. Put them in the environment that they get fueled on their own selves to do that. So certain things are like cupboard arranging. All these things, show them at first. Second thing is do with them, or just as you are doing, get their help. Get them to see how you are arranging it. And the next thing is allow them to do it. And the one more thing which you need to just have it in mind in this phase is being patient. Yes, be patient when they are doing it. Allow them to do with mistakes. Allow them to learn on their own pace. If you are having anger in this phase, you will just lose them in doing it. So allow them and accept them for what they are. That is a very key learning which you need to learn in this phase of time. So hope this entire video helped you. Just put it in the comment that which idea or which thing really made you to think a bulb on moment. Mention that in the comment. That will help somebody who is just traveling around the videos. Hit the bell icon so that I also get to know that you like this video, and also share this video to many parents, because this summer vacation, let this summer vacation help their kid to grow in different aspect also. So just share it, and also subscribe this channel so that you get the notifications whenever I post videos. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Namaste.